All right, we are on our last chapter for the week. Very exciting. We are going to start with chapter 8 today. So let's catch up and see where Min Lee is. Remember, Ma and Ba left to go and find her. And the last time we saw Min Lee, she was taking a nap in the forest. So let's see what happens next in chapter 8. Min Lee woke up when the sun was high in the sky and burning with light. Even in the shade of the forest, Min Lee's black head burned hot. As she woke up, she looked at her jug of water. Since she had used some of it for her compass and had drunk some during her night walk, it was only half full. She sipped it and tried not to think about Ma and Ba finding her note. I hope they understand, Min Lee said to herself, shifting the weight of the water jug on her shoulders uncomfortably. Min Lee walked west again. A couple of moments later, she sipped her jug again. She tried to drink sparingly, but even through the leaves of the trees, the yellow sun glared down at her. Soon, her empty jug was bouncing against her arm, when she heard a faint noise running through the trees. That's water trickling, she said to herself as she turned toward the sound. There's water here somewhere. Soon she noticed a small stream running with clear, sparkling water. She eagerly bent down to drink water and fill her jug, but as soon as Min Lee tasted the water, she spit it out. Salt water, Min Lee exclaimed. This water is salty. As she sat back, Min Lee began to wonder, how is this stream salty? I am far from the ocean. This is very strange. And unable to contain her curiosity, Min Lee forgot about her thirst and began to follow it. The stream widened and deepened, becoming more of a river than a stream. Just as Min Lee began to think that she should return to her journey, she began to hear deep moans that gently shook the earth. Who's there? Min Lee shouted. Help! A muffled voice whimpered. Can you help me? I'm coming, Min Lee called. She quickly put down her compass on the side of the water and waded in. The water was warm, like bath water, and clear as glass. Min Lee could see her feet and all the stones and leaves at the bottom of the stream. She moved toward the voice. The water rose higher and higher, to her knees and then almost to her neck. Are you still there? The voice asked plaintively. Please help me. I'm coming, Min Lee called again. She took a deep breath and dove toward the voice. The salt water stung her eyes, so she closed them tightly until she broke through the surface. When she finally opened her eyes, Min Lee almost sank back underwater with shock. Because there, in front of her, was a dragon. All right, that is where we are going to end our reading for today, for this week. So I want you guys to summarize our reading for the week. I want you to use 20 words. Try your best to summarize what's happened in our story only using 20 words. Remember, a summary is not supposed to be every single detail. A summary should be just some of the most important things. So summarize in 20 words all of what we've read this week. All right, come back on Monday and we will figure out more about this dragon. Have a good weekend.